In this simple video I'm going to share with you how to do the simple farm cleanup. See, everything's dirty, everything's filthy, it smells, and lots of mice droppings. It's not a pleasure to be inside, honestly. And we're going to do the simple cleanup. And stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and more Mazda videos are on the way. And let's get started. And at first, what do we have to do? We need to take everything out. What's in it? In a truck. I removed everything from the cab, and now we're going to use the blower gun and the air compressor. We're done with the air compressor, and even after just blowing everything out, it looks way cleaner, better, and yeah, still smells a bit, but we're getting there. See, I blown everything down, and now it's time for the vacuum. I might go one more time with the vacuum cleaner, just get the rest of the stuff what I might miss. And now we're going to clean the windshield, clean the dash, and make sure everything's clean as well. I will start with the disinfectant wipes for just getting most of the dirt and this kind of filth, like this coffee spills, for example. Get it all sanitized and clean. Right, our disinfection is done with the wipes. Now we're going to spray our slick mist, polished everything, make it look shiny, and wipe it. Now it's a time for the Windex, and look at the interior. Ooh, and it smells new, clean, fresh, and yeah, beautiful. I love it so much. Check it out, refreshing farm cleanup, easy, fast, and very efficient. Look at that, looks fantastic, sparkling, smells clean, and most important, safe. Feels so good, looks great, and no any droppings. Fantastic. I can live inside and don't worry about that smell. Now it's good. Thank you so much guys for watching. Very appreciate your time. Subscribe to the channel, more Mazda's videos coming up. And yeah, take care.